Hi, friends. Hey, today I found celery on for 99 cents for a huge stock, and so I purchased 3 of them. Came home and I have some bell peppers and some tomatoes and some onions that I would like to put on the dryer sheet. And so I am going to prepare them this evening because it only takes not too many hours, so probably 6 to 8, and I'm late in the afternoon right now. But I'm going to let you know how to do it so that you could prepare these things for stews, soups. When I need celery, I seldom have it, and so I have to run get it. Or if I buy a stock, quite often it doesn't quite get finished, and it's so wonderful to have these dried items on my shelf. For celery, it's what you do is you chop it. For celery, you chop it. And I've taken out all of the hearts and the leaves, and I'm going to chop them and dry them. You can powder them and add them to salt and make them a marvelous celery salt, or you can just add them. You can chop them and add them back to your soups and stews, and they're wonderful. But you chop them, and then this is what it's going to look like. And tonight I'm going to have this boiling, just water. You add a couple of tablespoons of soda. When it's boiling good, you add your chopped celery. Let it boil for about a minute, and then ladle it out and put it in ice water to stop the cooking. And it will retain the nutrition and the color if you will blanch it like this. And then you put it on your dryer shelves. Now, for the bell peppers, you just dice them or slice them or whatever you'd like. Something I'm also going to do, but it'll be tomorrow after I take the savory items out, is I'm going to slice this seedless melon in thin, no more than 1/4 inch slices. No seeds are in it. You place it on your dryer shelves, and when it comes out, it's just like watermelon leather. It's amazing. For tomatoes, is all you do is slice those, place them on a dryer sheet, no preparation prior to that, and then you have dried tomatoes. Look at these. This is something I've already done. On the right is dried tomatoes. They're wonderful, thrown in casseroles or soups or anything like that. And something you can do is you can take a couple of slices of tomato as you make your sandwiches. We would always have lots of tomatoes in the garden, and that was during the summer, so I would dry them. And then it's what you do is you mayonnaise your bread, put 2-3 tomatoes next to the mayonnaise, put your lettuce leaf next to the tomato, and build your sandwich. I would send it with the kids and my sweetheart, and by lunch it would rehydrate. It wouldn't make the sandwich soggy or anything. Or you can powder it and make tomato powder, which you can then reconstitute to paste or sauce, or actually tomato juice, depending on the amount of water that you reconstitute it. I love to have dehydrated mushrooms. I throw them in stroganoff, I throw them in other casseroles. They're amazing, and those have sat on the shelf for over 5 years, and they're just as good as the day that I dried them. Then here, see how my celery retained its beautiful green color? It is vibrant. You can rehydrate it in water and add it to chicken salad or whatever you like. Any of these you can powder and add it as an additive of both nutrition and taste to soups, stews, casseroles, even breads and pancakes and other items. But they're great. Then look at the tricolored bell peppers. The tricolored bell peppers you can utilize and put them with eggs, put them in anything you'd like. But you know, the celery, onions, and carrots and bell peppers are quite often used and sauteed as the beginning of so many dishes. And I have diced carrots that I have purchased. Our church does a cannery, and you can get dehydrated items and other things, and so I keep lots of diced carrots so I can throw them in to whatever I would like or reconstitute them for the beginning of my cooking. This is something I learned off of a YouTube channel, and that's lemons. And quite often you just need a little lemon to brighten up your dish. You can put those in, and as it begins to boil and reconstitute or cook, it gives an amazing taste to your dish. And quite often, living in Arizona, we have extra citrus. So today I'm going to be dehydrating. I don't have a freeze dryer. I buy many freeze-dried items. I would love to have it, but it's a very costly piece of equipment, and I haven't afforded it yet. So I do lots with my dehydrators. Hope that you'll try them and enjoy.